Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World, Boom, Buzz and Manjan. Now we are Shaltanan Auditorium for one of our fabulous, the 5th edition, Miss Petit Global Malaysia 2025 edition. Oh my god, already 5 years. We see it's really pretty just event for tonight. Alright, so maybe you can share. We have here right now Mrs. Wawa Zubair, the founder of Dream World Management, also the national director of Miss Petit Global Malaysia 2025. So how do you feel right now after finish this prestigious grand final of Miss Petit Global 2025 edition?
Kan I cakap I nak tidur.
Nak tidur? Ya, terlalu
Yes,
penat. Ya?
Because it's 3 months, almost 3 months. I'm with the girls, the winner of course. Perjalanan dia ada sedikit berliku, yes. But I'm so proud of me, also proud of myself. That's sebab berjaya sampai hari ini. And then this is 5th edition.
Wow.
And then 2nd year I managed for the national.
Yeah.
So I feel like, I'm proud of myself.
Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, so maybe you can share with us because this is a 5th edition, right? So next year it will be prestigious pageant for international level. So how you find the winner for this year to fit for the next year level?
Okay, how I find for this? Okay. This year I bawa Nixon and Leo to involve because both of them are co-founder and founder. So also, so mestilah dia orang akan tahu apa yang perlu, apa yang tak perlu. Okay, so which is pemenang kita tahu hari ini berdasarkan bukan based on malam ni saja, tapi of course since day one. Okay, since day one tu maksudnya daripada audition, of course, and then since day one. I think activity, yes, the sesh, also. And then the winner as expected because she is yang paling perform, of course. She never miss anything activity, she's never late, and then she has a good activity also. For me as a ND, and she is the content creator. I think that benda tu yang kita cari sebab kita nak, of course, kita nak expand brand kita, which is kita nak cari yang lagi wow next year. Okay, so I think this year I set the standard. I think.
Agree.
Yeah, maybe from next year we'll back to Malaysia.
Oh no,
who's not, right? If rezeki Malaysia, so I will try my best to bring the Malaysia bukan saja orang kata kenal di Asia, but of course Latinas, European, kan. So
because next year it will be so competitive because there's a lot of from Latinas and also Europe will coming. And I want to say from my sister of heart, where your event becomes so grandiose, I see there's a lot of very good in terms of activities you give. Like they have a karate, they go to horsing, like kuda, and then charity event. So I can say that your level right now is totally same like major pageant. So how do you feel after you can make this pageant become like a major pageant? That's a lot of activities. Bila ramai yang bagi positive feedback to you?
This is the one dream come true, I think. Because I nak orang tahu juga yang national pageant in Malaysia also can achieve penghargaan macam major pageant. So I want to bring this platform to well known, so orang kenal lagi Miss Petit Global, not only Malaysia but also Miss Petit Global organizations. And saya tengoklah diri saya macam ada peningkatan jugalah dari setiap tahun ke tahun.
Dari
so
masa kita kenal, now you getting good and more and more greater.
Of course dari support dari PPL juga. Thank you so much daripada kawan-kawan, of course, and my partner Nixon and Leo, my husband also, my family. So without them I think I tak boleh berada di sini juga. So thank you so much for your support.
Oh my god. Okay, so last week ataupun you want to say thanks to everyone that supporting since day one you join until you make the very prestigious 5th edition of University Global Malaysia 2025 edition.
Okay, since I involved in this industry since 2019, I think, and then I involved to Sri Kandi Malaysia, and then now I'm the national director of Miss Petit Global Malaysia, the #1 petite pageant in the world. So thank you so much for your support, of course for major media, kawan-kawan semua, and thank you so much yang di luar sana mana yang support yang kita tak tahu. Thank you so much. I wish next year I will bring more and more activity, more event, more gempak-gempak lagi ke. I nak achieve Mana tahu I boleh jadi national director yang the best in Malaysia.
Yes, who knows? Because
Yeah.
you already among them all. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. Okay. Oh my God, that's so excited to talk with you. Congratulations once again, Miss Wawa, because you already make the very high standard bar for Miss Petit Global Malaysia 2025 edition, and hope more success under Dream World Management. Even any kind of pageant that you will be a national director. That's wonderful from you. So I wish you best of luck and congratulations once
And
again.
congratulations to Rauf dari Kuala Lumpur to Slay the
Yeah, thank
World.
you.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much, Mrs. Bawa. So hopefully best of luck to you in the future.
Welcome.
So again, bye bye.